And hello friends, this is Vinit Balakrishna Ajbale. In this video, I am going to perform an activity whether the given solutions are acidic or basic in nature. And we have to indicate that the solutions are acidic or basic with the help of turmeric paper and hibiscus paper. The given solutions are washing powder, lemon juice, salt solution, soap solution, tomato juice, sugar solution. In this activity, we have to check the nature of the solution with the help of hibiscus paper and turmeric paper. When hibiscus paper is deep into the acidic solution, its color becomes pink. And when the turmeric paper is deep into the basic solution, its color becomes red. So let's get started. So first we take the washing powder. Now let's dip the turmeric paper in it. So as we can see that the turmeric paper has changed into red color. And now we will dip the hibiscus paper in the solution. So we can see that there is no change. So we can say that the washing powder solution is basic in nature. So our next solution is lemon juice, which is also called as citric acid. So let's dip the turmeric paper in it. So as we can see that there is no change in turmeric paper. Now let's the hibiscus paper in it. As we all can see that the hibiscus paper has changed its color in pink. So we can say that the lemon juice is acidic in nature. Now let's check the nature of salt solution. I have dipped the turmeric paper in it. So we can see that there is no change. Let's move on the hibiscus paper. So here is also no change in it. So the salt solution is neutral in nature. Our next solution is soap solution. So now let's dip the turmeric paper in it. So we all can see that the turmeric paper has changed its color to red. And when we put the hibiscus paper in the soap solution, it has no change. This shows that the soap solution is basic in nature. So let's move on to the next solution, which is tomato juice. It contains oxalic acid in it. Now dip the turmeric paper in the oxalic acid. You all can see that there is no change in the turmeric paper. Now let's dip the hibiscus paper in tomato juice. So here we can see that the color has changed into light pink. So here we say that the tomato juice is acidic in nature. So our last solution is sugar solution. So let's dip the turmeric paper in it. So there is no change in it. And let's dip the hibiscus paper now. So there is also no change in the paper. So this proves that the sugar solution is neutral in nature. By performing this activity, we showed that the washing powder is basic in nature, lemon juice is acidic in nature, the salt solution is neutral in nature, the soap solution is basic in nature, the oxalic acid is acidic in nature, and the sugar solution is neutral in nature. In this way, we have tested the nature of these solutions. Thank you.